Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see what is the difference between sanity and smoke testing. So sanity testing, when we do sanity testing, so basically we do sanity testing whenever we receive a new build that is relatively stable to identify the dependent missing functionality. In other words, you will validate the major functionalities of the system in a more detailed way. End result of sanity testing are similar to that of smoke testing. That is, if build passes the sanity test, it would be considered stable. So if you are getting any new build from the developers, then in order to proceed with the full depth testing, you are doing sanity in order to make sure that every major functionality of the application is working fine, whether it's new functionality or old functionality. You make sure that the build is getting installed correctly and all the data, related test data needed for testing, are working fine on that particular build, so that you are not facing any issue later when you start a full-fledged testing. So what is smoke testing? Basically, smoke testing we do when we want to test whenever we receive a new build that is relative unstable, to ensure that the critical functionalities of the UAT working fine. The idea of this test is to find critical problem as soon as possible and reject the build so that we don't waste time to test further. That is the broken build. Though smoke test stability of newly developed software builds is assets to make a decision over further execution of thorough and rigorous testing activities on these builds. So basically in smoke testing, to give a real life example, like when you are getting a new build and you will do some smoke testing on that build, so that to make sure that everything what we want to perform testing on is working fine. So now it's very confusing, like what is smoke and what is sanity. It almost looks similar. To give a very specific answer, you do sanity on any build so that you run some of the subset of the regression tests in order to ensure that the build is working fine. For smoke, basically it's done on new functionalities. It is not done on old functionalities. And in smoke, we need to test around the new functionalities and make sure that the build is acceptable for further testing. Hope you like my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.